right in Five Below. Look at, we have the chocolate bunnies, which I think I did share before. $2 kites. There's Minion, Guardians of the Galaxy, a Paw Patrol, Spider-Man, LOL dolls. Minion one looks kind of cute. Look at this for your little guy. It's a bubble tool. Oh my gosh, that's really cute. Well, you get little bubbles and then a tool set. This is $20. 20. It's actually quite heavy. I wonder if they're, no, but it's a heavy. Little peepers for $5. Why they call little peepers? He's just kind of cute. He's giving you those sad eyes. Look at me. Those are funny. Grass is $1. So if you need your grass for your baskets. Toy, these are $5. They just have like Toy Story on them and Spider-Man. They're little like rockets. Socks down here. The candy. Peelers. You have bugglers in the house. Tons of slime options to choose from. You got foam in here. You have your disco egg, clear one. I'm not too sure what these are, but I see them all the time. They come in multiple, and these you can find in Burlington. They have like a yellow one over there too. It's kind of hard to believe that Easter is popping up because I've seen so much Easter. We got the glow up eggs. Okay, they glow in the dark. Peep stuff for your animals. Look at that cute little hat. The little like soft frisbee. Don't forget your colored eggs. Strawberry one. Oh my gosh. Look how cute these Winnie the Pooh little. That is actually really cute. I wonder how well the zipper holds though. Look at that. Oh, he's just laughing. It comes with a strawberry. And this one too. Wish this one had a little light. I wish this turned into a light. So if you're in your purse, you could just turn it on. That is actually kind of cute. Is this different down here? Yeah, that's different. And then we have your pins. Oh, it's like a birthday.
I just found out Jif makes peanut butter chocolate rabbits.
They do?
Yeah.
There's chocolate rabbit? More Winnie the Pooh. Oh, there's like a baby tea. I haven't seen that one. Oh, the milk chocolate one. I haven't seen this one.
Either.
That's kind of cool.
I'd be buying.
Strawberry shortcake, a detangler brush. They got Minnie, Winnie the Pooh, Stitch in here. Is this like Demon Hunter? I'm not too sure, you guys, but I see it everywhere I go. If you're looking for little cute bows for your hair, Stitch. Strawberry shortcake. Don't forget the scrunchies as well. That's kind of cute. And these hair clips. Okay, everything hair is just good for a basket. And those are cute down there at the bottom. Look at this top for $7. I'm not too sure if it's a pajama top. I mean, I feel like it would be pajama because very like thin feeling. And we got flowers in here, grays. This one has like little hearts on it. You can find the cami to go with that. Lucky me, lucky. You need something for St. Patrick's Day. Okay, they have your fans for you. The clacking fan. This is good for a festival sleigh. And this one is like a little alien heads dripping. Okay, yeah. These are festival vibes. Okay, that's kind of cool. Lip scrubs, hair remover. Let's see. Flowers, Psych 101, Healing Handbook. Very important party. The ultimate guide to planning the perfect celebration. You need a book for that. The Praying Women's Journal. Find good habits. These are also good for little children. The Write and wipe away books. Used to print a whole bunch of these for my children when they were little. They still have like type of Halloween vibes here. Sweet and creepy coloring. That looks cute. New magnets. Look at that Oreo one. Croissant and butter. Duck. Girl dinners. Cereal. It's kind of funny. This little unicorn. Oh my gosh. I remember buying these at Justice. That's so funny. It's like a little dupe of it. They do have stickers though. Definitely not in a row. The lovers. I got that dog in me. These are new. If you want boots, they got the cowgirl boots here. Duck Duck Who game. Oh, that's funny. More ducks. Let me see this one. Oh, you can make a duck keychain. They give everything to make a duck keychain for $6. Some cute water bottles. Those are $7. Look at this digital camera. 15 games. It's like a game too. 5 games included. Oh, that's funny. Charms, tumbler charms, pillows for outdoor. I like that cherry print. That one on top is actually kind of cute too. Don't forget about your cutesy water bottles. Stay hydrated, whatever you gotta do to stay hydrated. These are cute. Nothing too new in new decor. What's going on, Five Below? We need some new stuff. Cute pillow. Hey, they have the giant gummy mango, the peelable one. And look, they brought out a gummy ducky. Oh no, and the frog. Oh gosh. I'm surprised it doesn't have a little fly next to it. And the gummy worm. Ugh. It's actually making my stomach hurt looking at it. Is this food or a toy? It kind of looks like a squishy. Gummy s'more. Nope. And they have the gummy burger.
Now they got the big gummy snake.
Oh, yeah, I remember the big gummy snakes. Remember one of our children bought like that gummy, the big gummy bear and the big worm that they used to have back in the day.
I can't believe they ate it. I can't eat gummies.
Hey, I found a little leftover Halloween. Wow, there's not as much in Five Below today. I feel like a lot of it we've seen, like all these Stitch figures, the SpongeBob ducks. Everything here is pretty much for, look at that Stitch duck. That's actually kind of funny. No squishies whatsoever. There's none of that. They have mini Mad Balls though. They're not as squishy. They're supposed to be like a stress ball on the Mad Balls, but they're not. They're just hard. What is this in here? Are these just like little pouch charms? Yeah, all the little Neatos, everything like that. The cheese one. There is nothing. It is all sold out, which is so weird because I've seen the cheese blocks so many times and now it's like sold out. It's absolute crazy. Nothing new in slime. You got the bunny bottles, Krabby Patties. It's like a little Chucky. Dubai cones. These are $5. The Kinder Joys are in here. Skittles are $3. Here's all the pillars though, I guess, that everybody likes. Shrimp. What is that? Cornbread? Bread corn? Has anybody tried that? Oh, you found a banana one? Let me see. These are $5. Oh, it has like a banana filling in it. Oh, that's interesting. Spicy hot pot. Spicy barbecue. Seaweed and salt honey butter. Lemon meringue pie. Oh gosh. What is this one? Peanut butter cinnamon roll. What? Oh, you guys. I went to the McDonald's and tried to get a McFlurry, like on my lunch break. I was craving a small mini M&M McFlurry. I haven't had one in forever. And we're in the drive-thru, and then she's like, okay. She's like, okay, pull up, blah blah blah. And then she's like, oh, sorry, our ice cream machine's down. I'm like, you couldn't tell me at the drive-thru. Now I was stuck. So you're stuck between cars. Oh, there's one squishy. Let me show you. Okay, there's a cheese one. Oh, look, they have the jiggly jumbo. These are stretchy. And they have a chocolate one too. A stretchy hand. You want a hand, guys? They got a stretchy hand. Should we get a stretch? It's actually kind of funny. It's just sand in it. Just sand and these squeeze balls. I'm not gonna touch that, but they look like a squeezy. What is that? These are like just food. I got like a spaghetti or something. Dumpling. These are these orb ones that we've seen. Have like the water in it. Oh, lifelike lizard. Yeah, they show yuck. They're just squishy. Oh, that's all the squishies. Okay. Anything new? No, just chalk. Over, you guys, I feel like this is gonna do it. Just kind of browsing around on my lunch break in the Five Below. I was hoping to see like more items, like newer stuff for like the summertime, but we still have plenty of Easter. So if you're in the market for Easter, don't forget to hit up your Five Below because it is perfect for an Easter basket. Also, don't forget Walmart has like dollar toys. I did do a video and I'll link that at the end. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.